Hey everybody, I got some new fish that I'm gonna try to overwinter this winter on my back porch with plants and everything up here and down here. It's my new 20-gallon fish tank, and I'm feeding them their breakfast of fish food, and I got red tiger barb and a yellow tiger barb, and pink and purple and green and blue moon tetras, along with one of my favorites, the catfish over here at the bottom. He helps clean the algae up for them. Zoom in so you can see them a little bit better. But they're nibbling away here at their breakfast and enjoying it. A little orange tiger neon barb right there. They coupled up, swimming around. On plants in here, they really like to swim behind them and enjoy them too. I think they're just so beautiful. Maybe next month I'll try to get a neon light if they make it, just so their colors might show a little bit better. But until this light goes out, I'll probably use this one because you still can see them really good. Well, they're all here and made it, so maybe I'll do another video soon again. I hope you enjoy them. God bless, and Jesus loves you all. I love you guys out there. All really kind of peaceful. Alright, love you all out there.